Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Yeovil, and I'm going to show you around this partner van. So this van is ply-lined in the back and has 3 seats up front. Some of its features include rear parking sensors, DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. And on top of this there's air conditioning, automatic headlights and cruise control with the speed limiter. So let's have a look around. Pre-registered van that's done less than 10 miles, and if it's of interest to you then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Yeovil. Thank you.